So the story goes, we're 20 minutes out of Lower Hutt to go see the garage races. We are on the side of the road. We have got just put our last 10 litres of spare gas in because we're getting very low. We've had a hell of a day. We've been and seen the 6-rotor, which actually blew Ash's mind away. I caught up this dude last night. Can't quite remember what his name was, but he was a good dude. Took him for a roll in the van. And he's like, yeah, we're talking about the 6-rotor. He's like, yeah, I know that guy. And boom, gave me his number. I rang him up this morning. Alex, good ass dude, man. And he took us through his collection. He had the 6-rotor, the R100, free. Oh, bro, it was just sick. But anyway, we're almost at the garage races. We're just sort of having a bit of a pit stop. The van's been, the diff's making a bit of noise. I'm gonna give it a oil change when we get here. Still going though, we're still fucking ticking along. It's been pretty cool. We've been seeing heaps of people today. But that's how where we're at. So we're almost in Wellington, so we've almost done 2,000 Ks. Who would have thought we would have made it that far? But no, well, so here we come, garage races. We'll see you soon. We're about 10-15 minutes away, I think. Ash on the phone. Charlie's having a dump or something, I don't know. But yeah, cool. We'll keep posting. Man, we've seen some trick cars today actually as well. Woo, what a trip! It's fucking sick. We're almost right down to the bottom, done from north to south. And unfortunately, we won't be going out fucking east because of Gisborne has been flooded and fucked, and so we'll give them a miss next time. Napier, we'll give you a miss next time, but maybe later on this Arvo tonight, maybe we'll probably go back to Coles at Paraumu, catch up with them, and then we'll see what happens after that. Maybe Masterton tomorrow, if they've got anything to go, otherwise we'll might beeline it for Awakuni again. Taupo. We're actually on track, would you believe? Well, we're a little bit late at the moment. We're meant to be seeing the garage race about 4, but we're about half past, so that's all good. But that's how we're at. Shop for following us, shop for the support. It's cool to see Rich Dude. People have been bouncing fucking, oh man, the amount of fucking people we see on the road, and it's hallelujah and woohoo, it's been sick. So that's post for me. I'll get back to what we're doing. Chirp!